Here's an update on the PA accounts on Apex. I'm still rocking and rolling. Right now we are at $66,400 and some change profit in the past, I don't know, 40 trading days or something. I'm taking it slow. I'm going for the base hits. And some days, I make like $500. Most days I make 100 to 200 to 300, right? There's some home run days. Anything above $500 is a home run day for the PA accounts, because that's, times 20. That's 500 times 20. That's $10,000 a day. That's a pretty good day if you ask me. All right, so let's show you the PA accounts. Today's date is actually the 6th. So these didn't update. I actually didn't trade at all today on the Apex accounts. I requested a payout on the top 8 accounts. So you can see the top 8 accounts up here. They have some more trading days than the rest, all right? I started out with these 8, and then I added 12 more along the way, okay? So these 12, they're lagging a little behind, right? You can see the top account I have is $5,600 of profit. And the rest of these, they're sitting around like the lowest one's 1,400, and most of them are in like this 23 to 2,200 range, right? So once I get these 12 up to about, I want to say I'll take the payout when I get to 54,600 on these bottom accounts, because I'd like to leave, like $2,600 worth of drawdown. My losing days are typically a few $100, so it'll take a bunch of those to actually wipe out the full account. So I feel comfortable with leaving like $2,600 in there, and then building it back up to 54,600, taking the payout in next pay period, and just keep doing that. Just keep doing that. That is the plan, at least, right? So yeah, I requested a payout on these top 8. In my next video, I'll actually, show you whether I got approved or denied on those payouts. But yeah, the strategy I'm just using the indicator I build. This is a lot different of a strategy than how I trade my, personal money. I'm just strictly going for base hits using the signals that I'm getting off of this AI channels indicator. So there's a lot of different, there's like a couple different ways you could trade these setups. It will be available soon to the public. We got a lot of people that requested it and want it. I have a private Discord too, and we gave access to people inside the Discord, and they're seeing some good freaking results, using this base hits method. So you get access to this indicator. You're also getting access to my little mini course on how to actually use the indicator, right? So I'm really just strictly using one NASDAQ contract or one ES contract, looking for, breakout signals, and then following the trend, getting my base hit. A base hit, if I'm trading S&P, is like 5 to 10 points, right? Not even. Like S&P is $50 a point. So you could get away with a base hit just going for 3 points on the ES, right? For NASDAQ, it's like, NASDAQ's $20. So it's anywhere from 5 to 15 points is what you need. And with these signals, you get these moves pretty dang quick, right? So, just example, looking at one. This is my strategy. It's like when I see a downward channel, like you see right here, I wait for that channel to get broken, and then you get a green signal, and that means, all right, this market's going to start going up a little bit, right? This is actually like 6 in the morning, so I didn't even trade this. I just looked at this on my chart, and I could see it already. So we got a little up signal, like, okay, this thing's going to trend. After that, I wait for, a little pullback, and above that green arrow, in this case, we got a new channel that formed. I'm looking to buy the lows at the bottom of this channel. So in this case, let's just say, for example, you bought here, which is 19,087 on NASDAQ. Well, about 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 minutes later, you already got at least 10 points out of it, right? And I use this trailer. So if you guys don't use any trailing stops, that's something I implemented into my trading on these PAs, and it's actually helped me milk a lot more out of my trades because I use an automated trailing stop. So for example, it's like I buy in. When the price goes higher, it's automatically moving my stop as price goes up. So it's automatically like trailing. So it's able to, take some of the emotions out of it and just let the trade work. And if you get one of those candles that just goes nuts on NASDAQ, then, you're making a few hundred extra bucks just letting the trailer do the rest of the job. Your job is just finding the entry, getting in, let the thing do the rest, right? So that's pretty much my strategy with these Apex. I'm looking for those little base hits. The indicator's helping a lot of our Discord members. So if you want access, I'll put the link down below. We have a little wait list. We'll probably launch in the next couple weeks. But yeah, the PAs are sitting pretty, and I plan on, taking a payout on the rest of these 12 accounts over the next, week or so. So yeah, that's pretty much the plan and the update on these 20 Apex accounts that I'm trading. And yeah, I hope you guys are doing good out there. I will see you on the next update when I actually get approved or denied on my payouts. I don't think I'll get denied because the strategy I'm using is well within the new Apex rule, which is like 3-to-1, which means, if you're putting on a trade, you can't risk more than 30 points to make 10 points on NASDAQ. I have the complete opposite strategy, right? I'm risking like 10 points on NQ to make 10 to 20 points on my trades, right? So, and then on ES, it's like I'm risking 3 points to make at least 3 points. So I'm well within that, 3-to-1 thingy, right? So yeah, that's the update. I'll see you on the next video. Any questions or anything I could help with, put it down in the comments or read all the comments. And I'll see you on the next update. All right.